Hello everybody, it's Bill, and I'm in a different spot. Well, this spot here, well, we used to come over here and watch the fireworks downtown. So we're here getting a nice train, 6107. Beautiful. Yeah, we used to come here almost every year to sit here and park, watch the fireworks and leave and not have to mess with traffic. Yeah, we just got done cleaning. Thought maybe we could get a couple videos in before it got dark. And we got one. That's cool. That's a nice view. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. This week's been really moving. Now there's another train coming eastbound too. I don't know what he's doing, switching maybe? I don't know. Oh, thank you everybody for subscribing. Yep, it's fantastic and viewing. That's neat. You're making this janitor's dream come true of getting out of janitorial as soon as I can. I'm done beating my body up. You know what really got me going is I had a contract for 25 years and they moved and they didn't take us. No complaints, no nothing. That was kind of like the nail in the coffin for me. And the pain. Oh, what's this? See if we can get this train over here. Yeah, I think he's switching. All right, this is a good spot. There she is, the end. 3889. All right, got one. All right, I'm going to wait around a little bit longer. Hopefully I get 2, 3, 4 more. That'd be really neat. This is a great spot. See y'all later. Bill out.